guys, Mona here, Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it is another Coaster Friday. If you remember, we have been talking about putting different things into the resin for the coasters to kind of give it a texture or a visual texture. And I had a lot of suggestions for wild rice, so that's what we're doing today. I mixed 2 ounces of resin, and then I went to the pantry and I found some wild rice that I had in there. So I added the wild rice to the resin, and then I mixed it really well. I wanted to make sure all of the little resin pieces were covered. Then I poured it right into the coaster mold and I let it spread out. And then you want to take your lighter and pop all of the bubbles. You're going to want to come back and do that at least a couple of times just to make sure all the bubbles are popped. And then we're going to let it sit a minimum of 12 hours. After 12 hours, you can pop it right out of the mold. Here it is all finished, and you can see the lighter rice kind of blended into the background, and the darker rice is definitely very defined. So it has kind of a neat look, and I think certainly it would make a good background, but even just as it is, I think having it out on your coffee table would be pretty cool, and it'd be interesting to see how many people would know what it was when they looked at it, obviously not expecting wild rice to be in the coaster on your coffee table. So be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. I hope you guys like the coaster and I hope you give it a try. Remember to add down in the comments below ideas of unusual things to put into the resin to make coasters. So be sure to do that, and I will see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.